Good evening, everyone. Thanks for staying so late. Thank you, Veni Mange, for having us, and thank you, File, for continuing for what, 1 year now. Give File a round of applause. 1 year anniversary of open up at both venues, Veni Mange and somewhere else. And Max, yes, I don't know if you want to say the name. Alright, so I'm going to do a song called All on You, which is an environmental song. I see some people leaving. Stay on here now, man. Stay on here, stay on here. That's so long. Yeah. And if you like this, you can check out the CDs as Felix said, or you can check me on Facebook. It's, Rahil, R-A-H-I-L Babooram. So, take it away, All on You.
Still see much green on your way. Throw your garbage anywhere. Apparently the effects don't seem to scare. Burn your trash, fill the air. You don't care a thing about the atmosphere. Know how to behave, so why can't we just take back turn? The shame is all on you. What goes around comes around. When it's all gone, what will we do? The blame is only on you. Complain about the trains, but you are the one who causes all these pains. And dump the chemicals in the seas. Then you wonder how come there's so much disease. Oh, the place is getting so hot. In spite of this, you are really doing what? The birds in the trees know how to behave, so why can't we just take back done? The shame is all on you. What goes around comes around. When it's all gone, what will we do? The blame is only on you. You can put blame on the government, but a lot is due to your own abandonment. Scream and shout about aluminum smelter, but daily you degrade your own shelter. Apart from becoming unhealthier, pay to destroy your home doesn't make you any wealthier. The rainforest gives so much life, but you clear it away to give animals death and strife. The soil that you feed the sentence cows should be used instead to feed countless hungry mouths. I can really only sing so much, but it's up to us to act and not just watch. The birds in the trees know how to behave, so why can't we just take back turn? The shame is all on you. What goes around comes around. When it's all gone, what will we do? The blame is only on you. The birds in the trees know how to behave, so why can't we just take back turn? The shame is all on you. What goes around comes around. all gone, what will we do? The blame is only on you. The birds in the trees know how to behave, so why can't we just take back turn? The shame is all on you. What goes around comes around. When it's all gone, what will we do? The blame is only on you.
Thank you very much. Right, so that song actually is at number 3 this week on the Indigenous Radio program. It's a weekly program that happens courtesy of the Artists Coalition of Trinidad and Tobago. It's printed in the Sunday Express, so if anyone wants to check it out, there's a top 12 every week. Other opener parties, are there, so you can check it out. Actually, what's happening is that we're trying to get 50% local content on all media forms, radio, TV, cinema, all the forms of arts in Trinidad. So by going to the Facebook group called the Artists Coalition of Trinidad and Tobago, you can sign a petition on there for that same purpose. It's very important, it affects everyone here.